But let's go to the next video. It's gonna be a fun one. The fan service episode. The button, okay. I wonder what this was gonna be about then.
What's next on the list, Kermit?
Well, actually, Sal, we're due for a beach episode.
Hey.
Beach episode, huh? How about this? We save the beach episode for another day, and we call this one the fan service episode.
Hey,
Sounds
okay.
good, Sal. I can make that happen right now.
What? Really?
All you have to do
Oh, wouldn't the beach episode be considered fan service episode? What?
is press the button.
Come again?
You
There's
heard
the
me.
button.
You press this button, and this becomes a fan service episode.
I call bullshit.
Press the button, Sal.
I call
Pussy.
bullshit! I'm not pressing that button!
Press the button, Sal.
No!
Press it.
Press the button, Sal. You're running out of time.
No!
All right, fine. I'll do things your way.
Oh god, I don't know. I don't like this.
So, what you're telling me, Sal, is that you aren't going to press this button that 100% guarantees anime titties?
No,
Oh,
I'm right
God.
here. Why are you so loud?
What's about to happen? Of course. This man literally ran all the way from his island.
Not on my fucking watch.
Hey, okay. Okay. Bro, why is Cooler so clean with these instruments? And two, holy shit, okay. I didn't know I was going to get this into fan service. Shells was getting some shit. Oh my god. Yeah, if you... God damn it, man. God damn it. Alright, now this is going to be the perfect Cell versus budget increase Goku Black. I'm interested to see this. I'm very interested to see this. We're gonna get a Goku Black, but like in what's it called? The Shonen Jump animation. That'd be cool.
All right, Sal. You're really going to like what I have for you today.
Is it a big tittied anime?
How is this budget increase? I don't like this.
Waifu?
No, actually, it's...
And you have already failed me, and you are dead to me.
No, this does not look
I
good.
have
Not
managed
one
to
bit.
get Black to join us for another episode.
Oh, really? And what you promise him? Violence?
Money, actually.
Hey,
What?
$3.
Goku Black's a cheap bitch. Okay, heard.
Bullshit.
Sorry I'm late. I got distracted.
Oh my god, is that Black? Talk about a budget increase.
While I appreciate
That does not
the
look like a
compliment,
budget increase.
I'd like to skip
Like,
to the
look at
fun
this man.
part.
Should we give Zarbon a budget increase?
Are you fucking
No.
insane?
We are not ready for that. We are definitely not ready for a Zarbon budget increase.
What?
The fans can't handle that much sexy.
Am I being
I want to say we can't handle that much sexy, but I just don't want it.
ignored? Behold! The birth of a god!
I think you mean birth of a bitch.
I call it Super Saiyan Rosé.
That's not...
I mean, yeah. You should actually call Super Saiyan bitch.
impressive. We have a friend that has
Cooler has me at tons of parties.
the budget increase.
Maybe I should start partying you
Now
with you, Tony
that-
Blaze.
That's impressive.
Got a budget increase.
Point of that shark suit is
He gets the bitches wet. Literally. He's a
Yep.
shark.
Kermit, you are embarrassing
Yep.
me.
Is this what you deal with regularly?
Every fucking day of my horrible life.
Very well. I surrender.
We didn't even
what?
start.
Yes, but you see, I'd like to keep my brain cells.
Oh shit. Wait,
Huh. That was easy.
Goku Black knows how to do
no one got hurt this
Ultra
time.
Instinct? Or, not Ultra Instinct, Instant Transmission.
Apologies. Almost forgot.
That's fucked up. That was fucked up. Next episode.